Hello, I'm Vernon from Tech Support, and today we're going to discuss the setup and implementation of the collision detect feature for the DX100 controller. The collision detect feature is designed to protect the manipulator in the event of an unexpected collision. It does not include your tool or your tooling. A shock sensor would be required for that. First part of the demo, we will demonstrate the operation of the machine as delivered from the factory with the collision detect settings at 100 with valid values being between 1 and 500. This example demo is just a mock-up of typically what could happen. So as we see, the robot did not stop. So after the crash, one thing we can do is look at the maximum disturbance detected, and that would be found under robot, shock sensor level, and we do have to be in management security for this particular button to appear. And right now she's showing the teach mode, which detected the maximum disturbance of 52, but I will look at the other levels, and all the other files shows similar except for file 8, and we're showing the largest number in the field is a 52. So I'm going to select a number smaller than 52, and I like 30 for this one, so that we can ensure on our next try that the collision detect will engage and protect my robot, if not the tooling also, but mainly the robot. All right, we have now repaired the damage and changed our max detect level, and we're now going to demonstrate the same motion with what we hope collision detect fully active and the generation of the expected fault. All right, so at this point, first thing we would try is to go to teach, reset the alarm, and we would want to jog the machine off of here. In this condition, we would go to robot and shock sensor level, and we can pick any field, even though, like we see in this example, we're in field number 5, and by pressing select, we can change feature to invalid, and in this condition, she is not running, and we can then move the machine out of the collision condition, and remembering that once we've gotten her out of harm's way, to reset the condition back to valid. And that would conclude today's demonstration of collision detect for the DX100 controller.